Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can install WordPress website on GoHighLevel using GoHighLevel hosting. It's a super easy step. I just go into video. I'm gonna show you step by step how you can do it without wasting time. I just simply go back here, and right now I'm here in this GoHighLevel. Simply I just go to the site area, and after the site area what we can do, just simply go to the WordPress. And here I just buy GoHighLevel subscription, one site subscription. So if you want to buy this subscription, there is a multiple stages of step of subscription, but right now I have just one. So let me complete the setup. I just click on it. It will ask me you want to create a blank site or using templates. I'm going with a blank. It asks for username, so I will say admin is my username, and it says website name. You need to put your website name. I just put here password. For example, I just put my password here, and after that it simply just create a site. It will take some time, like few seconds. It's not take long time. And after that your basic setup is ready, and we need to set up our environment setup and staging access. So simply I just create environment. It will take again few seconds. It will take few seconds, and after that site will be ready, and we are able to log in into our WordPress, and we will use as a WordPress. Here we have staging site. So what I can do, I just simply go to this URL and test it. Everything is working fine, and here you can see we have admin note. I'm going to use this emails and login, so I have already saved it. Yeah, the password I have changed it to another password. Yeah, you can see here we're simply logging into WordPress. That's it, how it's working, and I will show you step by step how to link your domains. Here you can see here we have add domains, so we will put our domains. So for example, our domain is a testdomain.com. I just simply go to auto configure or manual. We will do a manual integrations, and here we have some DNS and all other stuff like CNAME, A records, and also other records we will add into our domain provider. So it will take few seconds, and after that it will be ready also. So here are our records we need to add into our domain area. We need to add a txt. Both records are txt. We simply just copy and paste into txt area, and after that it will be just simply click on the verifications, and it will be verified in just a few seconds. And after that your domain we will link to our websites. And that's it, how we can install WordPress website in a GoHighLevel using GoHighLevel hosting. It's a super easy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to leadsflex.com and book your free consultation. From here I will jump with you on a call, and I will guide you step by step how you can integrate your WordPress website with the GoHighLevel. And even if you want to move your WordPress hosting to directly GoHighLevel WordPress hosting, I will guide you step by step, and even I can give you free of cost these consultations. And yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching it.